Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a time when someone asked for your opinion. You should say who asked for your opinion, why he or she wanted to know your opinion, what opinion you gave, and explain how you felt when he or she asked for your opinion. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is dilemma. Dilemma means a situation in which difficult choice has to be made between two or more choices. In Punjabi दुविधा ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਦੁविਧਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਵੇ then ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ that person is in dilemma. Next is seek. Seek means attempt to find and second form of seek is sought. Next is over the moon. It is an idiom which means extremely happy. In Punjabi, this idiom means ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾ then ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ idiom use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ over the moon. For example, ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ he is happy then ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ he is over the moon. Next is flying colors. It is also an idiom which means with good marks or with distinction. Next is kith and kins. It means near and dear ones. Next is lucrative. Lucrative means high income. So without wasting time, let's begin. Everyone has an opinion. Sometimes people take opinions from experts or kith and kins before making any decision. Here I would like to talk about a time when somebody sought my opinion. She is none other than my cousin. After completing 12th standard, all her friends were going abroad to pursue higher education there. She talked to her parents, but they did not agree. They asked her to finish her study in India. She was in dilemma at that time. She came to my place to take my opinion. After listening to her, I advised her that staying in India and completing education is a better option for her as the cost is significantly lower. I also advised her that after completing her studies, she should get experience for few years and then apply for permanent residence programs in foreign countries. She was convinced to some extent that staying in India was the best choice, but she found it difficult to change all her plans and wishes. She really wanted an exposure to foreign studies. It has been 5 years now when I gave her this opinion. She completed her graduation with flying colors and got a lucrative job in a multinational company. She called me to show her gratitude when she got a job. Then I felt over the moon that I shared my opinion with her and she considered it. She further told me that she will apply for permanent residency of Canada within a few months as she cleared her IELTS exam with 8 bands. This was the time when someone asked for my opinion and I indeed felt that it was valuable. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.